face.
Okay.
That looks really pretty. I like that.
Thank you.
I really, really do. Wow. You can do magic, girl.
This is gonna go in my video. It's Cindyrella OG and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve 3 hairstyles using one wig, and one of those hairstyles, or actually 2 of those hairstyles, is going to include bangs. And with that same wig I can take off the bangs, and I know this is like, what are you talking about? But I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that using this hair, or this wig rather, from Hairvivi. I'm so excited because y'all know I have always praised Hairvivi for their wigs. Like every time they send me a wig, y'all, every single time, it's fire. So I'm really excited to do this video. So let's get into the box. I meant to do that. Yeah, that was supposed to happen. So this is the wig, guys. Okay, nice little bob. We can definitely do a cute hairstyle with this today. And I've been needing a new, like, nice little bob wig. Like, I've been needing, like, a long bobbish wig. And then, so right here, this is our secret weapon. But I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. And I'm going to show y'all what that is later. But let's go ahead and style this wig in our first style, which is just like a regular schmegular bob look. I feel like I say this about almost every nice looking bob that I get, but I mean, of course it is nice looking, but this is legit going to be my new, I mean, I think I had another Hairvivi bob wig like this, and it was literally my everyday wig, and this is about to be my new everyday wig. Like, I've been in need of like a wig that I can just like just put on and it actually look decent, and this is that one. Like, the hairline looks amazing. It just looks like a naturally beautiful wig, so I'm really excited about that. So this is style number 1. What I love most about this wig is that, like I said, like, the knots are bleached, like bleached to a T, y'all. Bleached to a T. And it even looks like tinted, but I'm not sure. Like, don't quote me on that, but it looks like it just blends really well. And I don't really glue down my wigs anymore, but like, if I needed to, I could just glue this little flap down or cut it off. But it, like, literally, excluding the flap, this hair, because the band on the back, you can literally make it tighter and tighter, but because of the band on the back, it is literally just sinking this lace into my forehead, so it looks amazing, and it's plucked so nicely, and I love Hairvivi for this. Oh my gosh, I'm never selling this wig, sorry guys. So now it's time to move on to look number 2. So you guys remember when I said I had a secret weapon? Well, this is it right here. Now let's go ahead and open it and see what Hairvivi has sent us. Like, literally, it's just a clip-on bang. Like, that's literally it. And some hair companies will send you a bangs wig, like, that is like super thick. But this is like, I feel like the perfect fringe wig bang. Because, like, if you hear the squeaking in the background, that's actually Princeton. But anyway, this bang is like so thin, and it's already sheared and cut and everything. You don't have to do too much else to it. So I'm just gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clip it on. So you don't want to put it right in the, like, in the front. You don't want to put it right there. You want to put it somewhere like in between, like the middle of your forehead and like the front of your forehead. So like somewhere like in the middle. And then you're just going to put it right there and clip it on this side. And clip it on this side. Alright? So now let's go ahead and straighten it some more. The bang, and it looks really cute, guys. My only criticism, or my only critique, lol, Cindy, come on, English. Alright, y'all, so here is the bang, and it's actually really cute. My only critique that I would give it is that I would want the ends of the bangs to be a little less, what's the word I'm looking for? I want these bangs to be a little less, like, blunt at the bottom. Like, I'd want them to be a little more wispy, or a little more, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Dead-endish? Not dead end. Split ends. Yeah, I want them to have a little more split ends at the bottom. But, all in all, the wig actually looks really cute with, the bang. It's really cute. It looks like the whole wig comes as a bang, which it does not. So that's really cool. Alright, so now that I have the bangs on, I want to try on one more hairstyle. I want to try and see if I can do like a half up, half down with a bang. So I'm gonna attempt it. I'm gonna try it. So let's try it. All right, y'all, and here is the last style. I think this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And you can even put this in a bun if you wanted to. Which do I want to? Ooh, hold on. This is cute. This is cute. So you can literally do all types of styles with this wig. It's so versatile, and like this is literally a genius idea because like literally all you have to do is take it off. And I'll show you guys how easy it is to take it off and put it on whenever the hair is down. It looks literally, it's just seamless and just so easy to do. See? Yeah, brush all that hair down. And look. You got this style. And then you just take this off. Clip, clip. And now you have a regular schmegular bob. Like, this is just so versatile and easy. Ah! Let me know what your favorite style was, and all the information on this wig will be in the description box down below. Thanks again to Hairvivi for sending me this wig. I'm so excited to be wearing this pretty much every day. So I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a like if you liked it. Comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to stay blessed and beautiful gems, and I love you so much. Smooches.
Hit me up if you wanna make love, but don't call my phone. If you try to, I'll get